Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to iPhone. First, note that G7 or GameSir G7 SE is a wireless controller, so it's connected to your iPhone using a cable, not a Bluetooth. You will need a Lightning to USB adapter for older iPhone or USB-C to USB adapter for new iPhone. This lets you plug the controller into your iPhone. Plug the controller USB and the adapter, then connect the adapter to your iPhone. The controller should power up automatically. After that, open a game that supports controller like an Apple Arcade game or another competitive title. Press the button to make sure everything works. After that, if needed, go to the setting, then general, and open game controller option to adjust the button settings. And that's it, your GameSir G7 SE is connected to your iPhone. Enjoy smooth mobile gaming. And that's it, that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.